Every Monday briefing you assemble by hand is a prompt you could schedule once. Scheduled prompts are the timer built into Microsoft 365 Copilot. Write a prompt, pick a schedule, and the results arrive on their own. We set one up live, end-to-end, and finish on the task page that tracks every run. The mechanics first. This needs the paid Copilot license, and each person can keep up to 10 scheduled prompts. Runs save into your chat history as regular conversations, with an optional email when results are ready, and one boundary to know before you build a routine on it. Chat prompts read Outlook, Calendar, and Teams messages only. No SharePoint, no OneDrive files. Creating one starts with a prompt you have already run. We asked for a Monday checklist template for a fictional project. Hover over your own message and a small toolbar appears, and the clock icon is Schedule this prompt. The same option sits in the responses three-dot menu. Here is the flow, live. Hover, click the clock, and the scheduling dialog opens over the chat, with the prompt carried in and still editable before you save it. Look at the defaults before you touch anything. It starts tomorrow, runs daily, and carries an end date 2 weeks out. Left alone, your schedule expires quietly. Clear the end date if you want it to run until you stop it. The recurrence goes further than daily. Every day, every week, or every month, with individual weekday toggles underneath. A weekdays only briefing or a monthly close reminder. All the same dialogue. Configuring is quicker to watch than to describe. Switch to weekly, tap Monday, and the summary line rewrites itself as you click. Repeat this prompt every week on Monday. Our finished shape. Every week on Monday at 8, the email notification ticked, and the end date left in place for the demo. Save, and it is live. Every schedule lands in one panel called Manage Scheduled, under the three-dot settings menu at the top right of Copilot Chat. Active and inactive schedules with their next run times, and for each entry, run now, edit schedule, turn off, or delete. Run now is the honest way to test a schedule without waiting for Monday. A scheduled run fires, and the result lands as a new conversation in your history, prompt and response, exactly as if you had typed it at 8 sharp. Tick the notification box and an email tells you it is ready. In the current design, there is also a task page in the left sidebar. It tracks, in Microsoft's words, tasks you have scheduled or handed off to Copilot or agents like Researcher. Status tiles for needs attention, complete, and in progress, and every run in one list. Your schedules have a home page. Recurring prompts can target agents too. Since July, that includes declarative agents like Analyst. This is the same dialogue opened on our Analyst conversation from the last episode, turning a budget variance check into a Monday report that builds itself. Agent schedules read whatever the agent's own grounding allows. 4 rules for prompts that run unattended. Use relative time windows. Last 7 days, never this week. Say what to exclude, or the output bloats. Name the structure you want back, and tell it what to do when nothing matches, so a quiet week returns a clean confirmation instead of noise. The written scheduled prompts guide, with a 6-prompt library ready to copy, is at kesslernity.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Copilot in Outlook.